Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get more views on your TikTok livestream. This is a method I use with automation tools to increase views and interaction during live sessions. First, you need to prepare your TikTok account. Make sure your profile is optimized with a good avatar, name, and bio. Next, open the software KT Tik Pro. This tool allows you to manage and warm up multiple TikTok accounts. Go to the Account Management tab, add your TikTok accounts and attach different proxies for each one. Then, head over to Seating function and choose Seating Livestream. Paste the link of your TikTok live. Set up how many accounts will join the live and the time they stay. I recommend letting each account stay from 1 to 3 minutes to look more natural and increase watch time. Click Start and let the software run. It will open browsers with different IPs and join your live automatically. With this method, your live stream will quickly get more viewers, rank higher, and attract organic traffic. You can repeat this daily to grow your presence and reach more people on TikTok. If you need more information, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. The details are pinned in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.